Thank you, madam. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, he's going at it. Look at him. Look at this, right here by the river. Nice little wooden shack thing. Gonna go see if it's open in a minute. I've already seen some fish jumping. We're right here, gonna set everything up. It is a bit rainy, but it'll pass. Come on.
What's in there?
It's one of them like Norwegian sauna grill things. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. It's locked though, unfortunately. But they said they didn't have a fire pit, but they actually do have one. I think they mean they don't have one where you're meant to camp, which is up there. Oh, look at that. In between the trees. Well, if I use the fly rod, I know what type of fly to use. Oh my god, there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a 3-hour drive up here, so we've come in the van to have some dark chocolate and blueberries, right? And it's like a horror movie. Look at them all. They're everywhere. Terrifying. It's like Jurassic Park when he's hiding from that velociraptor thing. I think it's dragonfly larvae. We don't know actually, do we? Or like hatching dragonflies. But they seem to love the bonnet because it's warm. And then one just landed on my bum. Look at them all. Right, I'm gonna go on a walk now because it's still raining. We don't really feel like climbing on top of the van and getting the fishing rods out at the minute. So. Right, time to set it all up. Stop raining, sun's coming out. Charlie's now warm. Then we'll go fishing. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Oh, you can.
Longer than I remember.
Yeah, it is long, isn't it? Right, you just prop that up all day and we'll be alright then. You flying away? Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear the sheep.
There's a lot of them.
That one's definitely a person pretending to be a sheep.
Just some random guy over there going rah.
Your phone's in the grass.
I'm in shambles because I want to go fish.
I know.
It's already 4 o'clock. I'm like, where's the time gone?
They're jumping as well.
What?
The fish.
Oh, don't tell me that now.
I just saw another one jump.
Yeah, I know. This is the guy I'm going to use. Right. That's one. Is that all the leader I've got? My hands are a bit full. Trying to carry all the camera stuff.
Give me something in the chair. Oh.
We're going fishing, boys. We're going fishing. Why did I lock the van?
Oh, I don't know.
Saga.
It's shambles.
It's an absolute shambles.
Oh, bee.
This was meant to be an aesthetic video as well, and it's just kind of... I'm not a very aesthetic man. Right, Vamos.
Oh.
Oh. GoPro.
Ooh, that was a good cast. They're everywhere. The fish, not the flies. The flies are also everywhere.
We just had to run back from fishing because we've left loads of stuff out and it's coming down quite heavy now. Oof. I don't even know where my hat is. I think I lost it. Look at it. This it sounds nice though on the awning. We're having some ramen because we're starving and we can't.
Really have any lunch.
We didn't really have any lunch. No, we were just driving the whole time, weren't we? Took us like 3 hours to get here. Dad, Mum, all the siblings. I'll just get some kindling ready for the fire later. Might have overshot it a little bit with the old. We were hungry, weren't we?
Yeah.
It's hard just to get one in it. You always get like 27.
Yeah.
Hot. Oh. So everyone's stopped. We've had our ramen, so we're ready to go. Charlie's gonna sit and read a book, and I'm gonna carry on trying to get one. But I'm gonna try use the fly rod again because they seem to be very scared of the bigger lures. So I keep having I'm a bit stuck. Keep having a few follows, but no bites yet. So anyway, I'll see you on this guy. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. I'm on. Am I on? Oh my god, there was a fish there. I got trapped on there was a fish jump for it, but I got trapped on a twig. Oof, no luck on the fishing, but we're gonna get started on the fire. Probably make some steak. I saw so many, but they just didn't want a piece of me whatsoever. Win some, you lose some. That's why it's called fishing, not catching, huh? Right, we're off on an adventure for some dry sticks. There'll be some under the trees now. Ooh. That's dry as bones. That's dry. That's dry. That's dry. That's very dry. That's kind of rotten actually. Oh, I didn't even see the stream down there.
I saw it when I went.
When you went what? For a wee wee. Ooh, look at that. Right, that'll do. Oh.
You picked up all the good ones.
Oh, you dropped it.
There we go. Perfect.
Not actually bad. Dry these out a bit. Hopefully they don't set on fire. Jamie POV cook. You're in my mouth, so it's gonna sound pretty weird. Look at the view. The fire. Right. Oh. I forgot we're on a slant. Oh. Gas on. Not near the fire. Check number 2, turn gas on. Number 3, no lighter. No likey, no lighty. Number 3, lighter. There we go. I think that's pretty level, you know. Well, we'll see when the butter starts sliding. It slides towards us, and yeah. Might have to lower the table a little bit.
Where are your keys?
Oh, he's going. He's going. Excuse me, mister. Salt's not exactly
Not got much of that.
no. Some cheese sprinkled on there, kind of make like an omelette type of thing. Scrambled omelette. I don't know if I put a fork.
In the sauce.
Steak and eggs with peppercorn sauce. By the fire. Pour that in there. Oh.
It's gonna be Bubble City.
So that's not pretty good.
Oh, this is way easier.
Yeah, no, it is. I'm awake because I'm outside. We outside. They're gonna think it's an ad for this thing. Bloody hell. Show me up this time.
I can't snap it.
I'll snap it for you.
that one. That bit's there, definitely.
We are so back now. We are so back. Eh?
Way bigger.
It's way bigger. Probably just gonna sit, enjoy the fire, chill out a bit. Aren't we?
Have some peppermint tea.
Ooh. Ooh. For anyone that's ever played Modern Warfare 2, tell me that's not the model. Get a Kimbo and then like flip round. That is literally the model. Either that or the boy that lived has come to die. Gonna boil our tea, but I want to do it on the fire. Feeling survival. Oh yes. That'll boil, mate. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna cook some curious fellas today. Look at them all. Loads. Right, it's the morning. The sun is shining. It's a good day. We're gonna have some coffee. Right, we're gonna get all packed up. It's hard work, this. So it's a bit worrying after going camping to see if your van starts, so good old Bajon, here we go. I'm in suspense already. Oh my life, first turn. He doesn't do that on a good day. This is a brilliant day. Well done, buddy. Beep, 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 beep. Excuse me.